Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will learn how to cube numbers near 10. In this example, 7 cubed. Step 1. Compare the number with 10. 7 minus 10 equals -3. Step 2. Thrice the difference. -3 times 3 equals -9. Then, if the difference is negative, subtract thrice from 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Step 3. Append 2 zeros to the answer. That will make 100. And this is part 1 of the answer. The next step is to multiply thrice of the difference with the original difference. -3, which is the original difference, times -9, which is thrice the difference. -3 times -9 equals 27. Then, append 1 zero to the answer, which makes 27,270, and this is part 2 of the answer. Next, calculate the cube of the original difference. -3 cubed equals -27, and this is part 3 of the answer. Next, simply add all the 3 parts of the answer. 100, 270, and -27 equals 343. Therefore, 7 cubed is equal to 343. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.